YouTube? It's Kiki Clout in the house. Can I get an applause? Yay! Yay!
Okay.
Guess what I'm doing? Going to Daytona with my girlfriend Alice Visby. It's gonna be a freaking blast. I'm gonna show you guys my fit. I just got done getting ready. I've been up since like 5 a.m. because of course, you know what? I wasn't home all day yesterday. So you know what? I didn't have time to pack. So you know what? I'm packing now. Like, got my bikinis, heels, shoes, sneakers. Can't forget the Forces workout shoes. I mean, if I'll have time for it. A speaker to jam out. Some clothes. Probably brought way too many clothes. But you can't have too many of something. Anyways, and then my makeup bag. This is my fit. Me and Alice went shopping yesterday and got new bikinis. Like, should we go wake Alice up? Huh, Callie? Should we go wake Alice up? Should we go wake Alice up? Huh? Yeah? Okay, we're gonna go wake Alice up. Look at all that stuff. This is just all this is mine only. I haven't even got Alice's stuff yet. Hey, I'm naked. Oh my god, you guys! This is Lucy. Hi, Lucy. Hi, Lucy. Hi. Hi. Are you excited to go to Brian's? Hold on, we're gonna have to retry this. Take 2 for the editor.
What the fuck? Stop playing.
Let's try this again. Alice! Oh, she got clothes on!
I have clothes on this
look at
time.
the sneakers.
Yes, fly.
We're finna head to Daytona. It's like a 3.5 hour drive. It's gonna be so exciting, you guys! I'm excited. We're about to turn up, make some money, be hoes. Are you ready to go to Brian's for the weekend? Yo, I'm crying. We are about to get
It's gonna be disgusting.
You gonna be hanging out the truck with your ass and shit twerking. I already know it. So we'll vlog this trip. Yeah, vlog all the hoish the hoe activities.
Stay tuned, everybody.
Stay tuned. We had to stop for coffee. Got Starbucks. We're still waiting on her coffee. And guess who called me? Paris Banks, Baddie.
Hey, baby.
But yeah,
I miss you, bestie. I wish I was there with you.
Oh, I know. This is the one
Driving.
year I went to Daytona without your ass, and I don't like it.
I know.
It's playing. Hi.
We made it.
We
Almost.
made it.
Almost
we just
there.
passed the sign. Longest road trip ever.
It is 4 hours
4
technically because we stopped and shit.
Oh, I'm ready to drink.
Girl, we're in Daytona.
Woo! We made it. We made it.
Hey, bitch. Bitch ass. I'm vlogging this. This is going on YouTube, Dylan.
I'm boring right now. I'm chilling. I'm
It's
fucking.
okay. I'm gonna wait till y'all turn up.
Yeah, wait till I get drunk.
I hope I don't get demonetized.
You're gonna get demonetized.
Oops. Wait, no, I'm on YouTube with just pasties. Yeah. You're so hot. Editor, edit this good, okay?
Okay.
This is George Lofro Photography. Me and him are really good friends. I love him to death. And I'm putting him in my YouTube video because he's bomb as shit. Yo, and then go follow him on YouTube, Lofro Pro Photography.
Good morning.
Good morning. Daytona, day 2. I feel a little shitty, but it's alright.
It's okay. We got all that
We have
to
to
make
shop.
us feel better.
We have coffee right there, coffee shop. Mail, double espresso.
Yum.
Should I take this shot now?
I think we
For the
should.
tube?
For the tube.
It's probably like 9 in the morning right now.
I couldn't even hang last night. I went to bed at like 6 p.m. But I'm ready today. Chug, chug, chug. Oh, I like all your scrunchies. Yum.
Pretty good. Shot. Cheers.
Cheers, cheers, cheers.
Woo!
That's a good Red Bull.
Tequila and Red Bull, breakfast of champions.
Breakfast of champions.
Hair and makeup are done.
Finally.
This bitch over here is pouring Bacardi into a water bottle.
What? It's water.
So that
Oh shit.
It was water.
It's water. Now.
Kevin.
Good morning, folks. Be jealous. I'm here and you're not.
Good morning, YouTube. This is my fit for today.
Give him a walk. Give him a walk.
See you walk. Walk.
Yay! Loved it, lived it, loved it.
Now you need to give him a walk. Walk. Yeah. Kevin, your turn.
No, you will lose followers if I give them a walk.
But let's go get breakfast, get our day started. The day is beautiful. The beach is grand. Look at the beach, you guys. Daytona Beach, Florida. We are now going to get breakfast with Kevin. What are you getting for breakfast? Dick, apparently. Kevin.
I'm not getting any D for breakfast. Maybe eggs.
Eggs. Hi guys, Kiki Claw here reporting from breakfast in Daytona Beach, Florida. I have Kevin here,
Good morning.
Alice, and we're about to throw down at this buffet breakfast in the hotel. So our plans today, we're going to eat breakfast with the lovely Kevo before he leaves. And our friends are coming to get us, and we're probably gonna meet with the cameraman, do some photos, either go to the beach or go to the truck show, and we'll audition at the club here, which is called Grandview Live. I've worked there plenty of times over the years of these shows. It's fun, it's lit, it's cool. Wanted to keep you guys an update. I'm gonna show you our breakfast when we go get it. We have to go get our breakfast. I'm back with our breakfast. Kevin is coming with his. I got
Egg, bacon, grits, sausage!
cheese, eggs, a little carbs, sausage, bacon, grits, and
Sausage!
biscuits and gravy. This not even biscuits, gravy on top of my grits. Kevin got some fruit. What is that? Tea?
Cranberry juice.
Cranberry juice. Alice got
Egg, bacon, grits, sausage!
basically the same shit I got. We got creamers and coffee, and yeah, we're about to throw down. Oh, and I got hot sauce, and I got Light and Fit. It's so cute! I'm so excited. We're about to turn up, show titties, but can't do that on YouTube.
I can't show my titties.
I literally just like want to like.
Jesus Christ.
I know.
Oh, you got a fucking ass.
I know.
You got
I know.
That was
Everybody is on shots, 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 shots.
Let's make a bet. Alright. I bet that this post will stay up for 1 month before it gets taken down.
On YouTube?
Kicker?
I bet that it's gonna stay up because it's not gonna get taken down. But I got a fire editor.
Let's go!
A few moments later.
Whoa, oh, we're live and direct. Well, see, we got Don Rico's with the old cloud herself, y'all. Heard me?
Down the hatch, me.
Hey, oh, what? Go. Oh, almost. Oh.
That was cold.
Oh, get his merch. I'll put a link in the description. And we have David over here. Lit.
Boys.
Beautiful Alice Visby. And introduce yourself.
I'm here to rank your pussy.
What are you drinking over here?
Good old Tito's and lemonade.
I mean, honestly, why you want to
That's the
finish
way I like it. What's up? We're in Daytona at the truck meet. Obviously, me and Horace hanging out the back of a truck. Look at this shit. Helipad, bro. Say hi, Keith.
What's happening, baby?
So the cops are shutting us down, you guys. I'm vlogging, Keith. You want to be in my vlog? What's up, Keith? Yeah, so we have to leave because they're cocksuckers. Alice, get your pussy in the truck.
Huh?
Why does Keith have this? Oh, so she just got off work. Alice! You're so adorable. Spin that ass is what I meant. How am I supposed to spin it? Like that. Keep going. Keep doing it. Don't stop.
About to do a whole nother round. How we feeling, Kiki?
I hung the fuck over.
Yeah.
What's up, YouTube? The beach is beautiful. Our last full day in Daytona. I'm excited to get food and then drinks and then the beach and then the club. We didn't even go to Razzles last night. We stood in line just to go to the strip club. But I like the booty club better. Everybody ended up there anyways. I knew that was gonna happen. That's why I told them, I was like, we should just go to the booty club.
It was fun.
It was really fun. I did vlog.
Oh.
Crazy. I was vlogging your ass getting twerked on by a stripper. Yeah.
Oh shit. Oh, I'm sorry.
That shit was so fucking funny. Editor, make sure you please keep out all nudity. I appreciate it, thank you. Look at this little Joyland arcade snack bar.
It's cute.
Lisa's
I
gifts.
love funnel cake.
It's cute. It's so adorable. That's the telly we're staying at. It's already toasty and roasty.
Good.
I have vodka in my bag and this bitch is carrying a whole bottle of Bacardi on the beach.
I got us 3 watermelon White Claws. I'm super excited.
In your bag?
I've never had watermelon, yeah.
Cutie. We had a good time last night.
I'm hungover.
I'm sorry. Hi. I can't even see you because the lighting is horrible in this bitch. You can see me great though. Oh, you can see all my flaws. Hold on, do it, sing it.
I'm getting ripped tonight.
That's going on YouTube, just saying. But all the baddies were getting lunch. They're so cute. We're getting dinner, dinner. I said dinner, we're getting dinner. I'm fried right now. No, we're getting lunch at Ocean Deck in Daytona. I'm drinking a hangover, basically. Yeah, so I fucked my lobster tail up. And this girl ordered the whole menu. And it's full. Literally the whole menu and it's full. I'm so full.
Bussin'.
What?
Bussin'.
But 8, you know what? Time to get fucked up now. You guys, we got all the hoochies in the bag. We got the, what's this called? The rig bus? The bank? Not the
No,
bank
we
bus.
got the beef.
The truck
It says
bus.
beef on the front.
It says
The
beef
beef bus.
Beef bus.
There's a picture that I was like, we got the beef.
We got the beef wagon. Got Alyssa. Got Alice. Got Ashley.
So weird.
Miss Sexy Lady.
Like that.
Where did y'all get them little shits from? Like, where? Oh my god.
Hundreds. There's 100, girl. There's 200.
They're fake. They're fake.
They're fake.
God, they're Trump hundreds.
Yo, my editor gonna look at this shit and be like, what the fuck did you do this?
He's gonna masturbate to it for sure.
I beg your pardon?
He's gonna masturbate to it for sure.
Hey guys, so we got pulled over because
They're all sitting on the edge.
it's hot out here.
So hot, I want to throw up.
I'm sorry, baby. It is hot out here.
This is why I moved away, because I can't handle the heat, man.
It gets hot down here. This is Florida. It's like 90 something degrees out here and we've been stuck out here sitting for like 20 minutes. See what's going on right now? We're here. All right. Bubba, what are you doing? All right, all these redneck motherfuckers about to shotgun all these beers right now.
Right there.
Right now.
Never shotgun.
Yo, listen, I don't know how this little bitch holds so much alcohol in her body.
I know. Give me that
There's
big
more
thing.
alcohol than blood.
Yo, this bitch drinks as much as Bobo.
Yo, heard me?
Shalom.
Hey. Hey, no. Hey, hold the fuck.
There it is.
Hold the fuck
Here's to the horse. Here's to the bull.
Yes! Woo!
What the? Hey,
Yeah.
fuck this. Hey, fuck this shit.
No. Ah.
Oh, fuck you guys.
I'm over it.
Wait, Alice, you finished yours?
Now that I'm not looking, there's a nice right there.
Where'd your beer go?
Hold this.
You didn't drink it?
I drank it.
Damn! You finished it before everybody else?
No, I did it before everyone started. Remember? Nothing in there.
You're so funny.
What up, girl? I said, what they do, girl? I said, put your pussy lips on live. I'll give you $1,000.
Yo, this vlog is about to be crazy.
Alright guys, hi. So just finished my makeup. I know, super cute, super cute. I want to talk about how the fact that Kiki has literally been drying her hair now for 2 hours. Let's go talk to her.
Hi, YouTube.
So Kiki, what's it like to have to dry your hair for 2 hours?
Oh, it fucking sucks. It takes hours to dry my hair.
It's some ridiculous shit.
Look how thick it is.
She's so cute. Oh no, yeah, yo. We'll come back after she's finished. Yo, her hair is so good.
Fucking lions, man.
It's dinner in the show. Oh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty.
That is pretty.
So romantic, Kiki.
This bitch over here eating cookies. This is the last day here.
Still drunk.
A little bit still drunk. Cookies. This bitch over here eating cookies at 10 in the morning.
Yo, I fell out
She fell out the truck last night.
that looks so bad.
Drunk as fuck. And then Chloe was like, watch your girl, they're feeding her shots. I'm like, it's okay. We know who they are. It's good.
No.
And then, and then it wasn't good because she got really, really drunk. So far, Daytona was mad fun. We survived. Beautiful. Well, it's kind of cloudy today, low key. Hey guys, we're getting cheddars. The whole, right? I know we almost died last night, especially Bobo.
What up?
I don't know. And this bitch over here fell out of Keith's truck last night.
all over the sheets. I was like, what's happening?
Yo, literally, we had to take her upstairs. She was fucked. You fell asleep in the truck. You fell asleep in the truck last night.
It was for survival.
No, but literally, she was like, she was getting out of the truck. I think she had said, she was like, I gotta pee. And then next thing I know, one of Keith's friends was like, one of Keith's friends was like, oh shit, she fell. I looked and she's like this on the ground.
Starfish.
Literally, starfish. That's so fucking funny, but I had a good time. Everybody had a bomb time.
We're alive. We made it.
We are alive. It's the
Daytona 2021.
Daytona.
has been real.
No one's dead. We didn't have to get bail money.
Literally, it's been real. It's been fucking real. We're waiting on George, AK, Loaf Bro, photography.
It's a trap.
Do it.
They
go away.
I know.
So why not?
I'm gonna get a tat that
I
says DSL. Dick sucking lips.
Oh.
I didn't want to get it here to kind of like mash out.
Oh, let me see. You already got Yetis on your hands. Oh, fancy.
So-
Wait, what's that say? Skirt?
Yep. Wait, you ever see a dinosaur with Gucci flip flops?
Oh, you showed me on your leg.
What'd you say?
Fucking dinosaur with Gucci.
Have you ever seen the dinosaur? What the fuck?
What made you decide to get that?
So I used to, at truck shows, I used to walk around in like fucking dino suits with like that shit was a big thing. So then this kid pissed me off the one day. So his sister was there. So I fucked his sister in Gucci flip flops on a dino suit at a truck show.
What?
So this is for some pussy, is what you're saying.
Oh yeah. That was my first tattoo. And it's great because, you know, you ever see dinosaur with Gucci flip flops? No. Yeah, exactly. And 9 times out of 10, I gotta drop my pants to show you, so it's a great way to take my pants off at a party.
We're having a rap battle. Let's get it. You can steal lyrics from online if you can't come up with anything.
All right.
Do you need a beat? Let's hold on.
Get the beat. Somebody give me a beat.
All right. That sounds like something. You got the beats?
This is a family restaurant.
Oh, you got the beats? Oh, you got the beats. You got the beats. I got one, but it's my own freestyle I actually wrote. Oh, pussy in the house, I'm a house cat. I don't fuck with house fries. I ain't got a Snapchat. You asking for his ring back. Bitch, I already pawned that. I'm a fucking cash cat. Bing stacks, count racks, get stacks. You're so cute, Miss Alice Bisbee. You're sandwiched between some cock right now.
My what? Hey.
Why do these look beautiful?
Come closer, come closer. What you guys drinking? Coke product, fruit tea, ice cold.
We're gonna need an AA meeting after this.
We're gonna need Jesus.
Happy birthday!
Thank you. Cheers.
Bye. The sad memories.
Bye.
Oh, this is so sad. Bubbo, get your ass over here and give me a hug. God damn it.
Yeah, flick your
Come here. Right
What up,
now.
baby?
Right now. Right now.
What?
Right now.
What do you need?
A hug.
Oh, okay. Thank you much.
Oh, I'm so sad. George, I'll see you like tomorrow.
Yeah, I guess, yeah. This week, I guess. Alright, guys.
This is it.
We are officially leaving.
That was the shit show.
How do you think we did? Oh, look, they're trying to get your attention.
Slightly hungover.